Good morning, everyone. Well, today we are on day 21 of 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. And our sketch artist today is Jacqualine Hart. And she has one, I imagine it's a 5x7. It looks like she's got two pieces of paper behind there. Or maybe it looks like a stack of photos on hers, you know, who knows. She's got a strip of film, like a film strip. Yeah, film strip, that's it. She's got a pocket here with a tag and some flowers. She's got another tag up here with some flowers. And I didn't say she has one piece of paper with two strips in it. One looks like a 6x12 and the other one looks like a 1x12. And this looks like the same paper as far as I can tell. Okay, mine's gonna look very similar to this, except for I'm not gonna have tags. And my title is huge. But I had all the letters, so I went with it. Okay, so here's Aiden. He's my first grandson after 3 granddaughters. And anyway, he looks like he was cheering for something. And he's got a bow tie on. So I was asking his mom, okay, so what was he cheering for? And she goes, baby boys for bow ties. So that's what I'm gonna call it. And I went and found some films. Now I didn't have a big film strip like she did in hers. So I pulled out this little set that I got from a swap, and who made it was Christine Brent, or I think it's Byron. Byron? Don't we know somebody with that name? And I'm saying it wrong. Bryant. That's it. Okay, and it's from August of 2024. Now, this is not a good color for this. The film strip was actually the same color. So I decided I was going to ink it with tea dye, and it looked very close to this, so I thought that would look pretty good. And so I am going to ink this too, and I inked the film just so that I wouldn't have to do both of them while you sat there and watched me ink. So it's maybe a little bit of a slick surface, the paper. It doesn't look like it, but it really wants to come up on my fingers. So I'm thinking it must be just a little slick, because it doesn't want to absorb as fast as what I want it to. Oh, and look at it, I'm getting the edges real good and not getting that part up there. Well, that's gonna kind of be it, I think. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. I'm gonna let it dry until I need it. Okay, so, oh, and I made a little pocket because she had the little pocket, and then I did put stitching on it, and I've got the threads here. I think I'll cut them off. I tied it, so I am going to leave the little knot there so it doesn't come undone. And I figure if you see that, it just shows that it's stitched. Okay, so I just think this is an adorable picture of them. Okay, and Mom's put bow ties on. Mom has put bow ties on him more than once. Okay, I'm going to put this, I think I'm going to put it right there. Oh, and the collection I'm using is Dream Big, and it's by Echo Park, and Maureen gave this to me, the collection, and then she gave me the book of stickers. Okay, or yeah, she gave me a book of stickers too, but I already had one, so I don't know. It's like I might pass it along one of these days. Okay. And then this plaid, and this is the 4x6 papers. Oh, I'm supposed to be trying out a taper, but I forgot to get it out, so maybe tomorrow. We bought some tapers because of doing that card class, and so we're trying out things that we don't normally use. Okay, looks like that is straight, but maybe, I don't know. It's like, it needs to be straight on the bottom and straight on the top. And it looks like my paper is not straight, huh? I sure thought it was. I think I'm gonna put down the big paper first, then put this back down because for some reason it's not cooperating. Oops, I don't want to put it on top of Aiden. Okay, so I'm gonna put this down. Okay, that looks straight. Now surely this should be able to be straight as well. Okay, that's better, I guess, even though I got it further over. Oh well. Okay, and then I've got the 2 pieces of paper, and I think I'm putting the green down below, and I'm trying to get it in the same position that she does. I'm gonna shoot for that. So this is going to be in the very back, and then this is going to be let's see, probably about like that. Okay. And then Aiden is going to be, he's one of the twins. He's twins with Alex. We haven't seen him for a while because we don't get as many pictures of him. I said I need more photos, and Mom did send me a bunch of photos. But then I found this one, and I thought, hey, that is one cool dude. I have to do that one. This is such a cute collection. I love the little airplanes. Okay, so he's just slightly tilted, and I got to think about my title now because I need to be able to fit bow ties here and not overlap Aiden. Let's see, don't want him, I think I want him just a little bit straighter. Think about like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna stop and put the title on. Oh, and I definitely need it up here further. Okay, can I get that to work and not overlap him? Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna put this down and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got the title, and okay, I'm gonna add the little film strips now. Let's see, I'm gonna have this, I think, straight across, and then just tilt the other one. I figured since mine wasn't as big that I would have 2. Oh boy. With those little dots in there, it kind of makes it difficult. But I'm sure I'll get enough glue on it to hold it. I mean, it's not like it's heavy or anything. I got the whistler. I have to say that this morning he was whistling a show tune. Something that I never thought I would hear him whistle. It was pretty funny. Ah. Okay, there we go. And then this one, I'm gonna just overlap it at an angle to take up more space. Oh, I have to be very silent for this. Obviously.
Do you need me to step in and speak for a little bit?
Yeah, you just go right ahead. Because I can't talk and glue at the same time, obviously.
77 years ago.
Okay, and then since the little camera came with it, I thought I'm just going to use it too because I think it's super cute. And maybe I'll stick it up on some dimensionals. Now where's my bigger ones? Here they are. I had ordered some stuff from where? From Echo Park that I wanted for the card class that we're going to be doing at church. And anyway, it's like I got the order and I thought I should have ordered the stickers to go with it. And then I thought, oh, that's silly because I get the sticker sheets with things and then I never use them. So it's like I'm more apt to use, you know, the little die cuts and stuff. Or, you know, one of the swap embellishments, because I like those best. Okay, so I'm just taking off all these little label things. I mean, cover things. Okay, I'm gonna try to get some of the kids' photos into books sometime soon here because I've got 2 giant stacks. Okay, and then what's my other stuff? Okay, so I thought I would put this little bear up here and a cloud because I want to use more than what I you know, since I have all the stuff, it's like just want to use some of it. Okay, and then I have some stars and they're going to be part of the little story I'm going to have here. Okay, so I'm going to put a star here. We've got 3 stars. Okay, and then I've got the little bear flying an airplane. Okay, and I'm just going to put him right in front of that little cloud. I just think that's cute. Okay, and then I've got the little pocket. I think it looks better on this side. I guess I'm using that side. Okay. And I'm just gonna put it right there. And then I have a little star. It's like a shooting star. You know that little song, Catch a Falling Star, and put it in your pocket. So I thought I would just shoot it into his little pocket here. And then, let's see, I've got some of the little word stickers from I think I got them from the sticker book. And I'm gonna put awesome right here because this actually, it's a nice size. It kind of looks like, you know, sometimes you see those little pockets with the labels on them. So I think that's cute. And let's see now, I've got 2 more words I want to stick on here. I've got cool kid. Maybe I'll stick that down in here. Maybe right next to the film strip. Then I got one that says you're awesome. And I think I'm going to put that right next to the little flying bear. And I'm trying to see if I got it straight here. Okay, I think that's good there. Okay. And since he's got green in his little jacket, oh, I do have this that says capture the moment. Do I want to use that someplace? I think I'll just save that for something else. Okay, so since he's got that green in his bow tie, and also there's some green in here, but the other green, it's like, it's hardly even noticeable. So I thought I'm gonna use green enamel dots. And I'm gonna put a bigger one over here. I'm gonna do my little cluster of 3, you know, large, medium, and small. Oh, let me see if I can pull that off. I did my nails, and it's making it, is it any harder? Probably not. It's just hard. Okay, and then maybe over here, by where the flash would be. Okay, and one up by the airplane. A little cluster by the airplane, by the title. Okay, so that is it. And you know, you never see me journal on these, but before I put them in their books, I'm hoping to get with the moms and try to get some journaling on them. And like this one here, I will put it wherever I can make it work, because it's like as fast as I am at journaling on it, I thought I'm not going to waste time trying to pick out a spot. But if I type it out, you know, I can put it anywhere. It just kind of depends on how big the journaling is. So that's it for today. And I would like to thank Jacqueline for that cute sketch. And I will have close-ups at the end, and see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.